Hi, my name is Chris, and welcome to today's latest installment of the Camper Dan Files. Okay, put us in neutral.
What?
Grab the stick, pull down, shake left and right.
Okay.
Now you're in neutral. Okay. Push the clutch in and start the truck.
All the way to the ground?
Yep, and you gotta hold it.
Okay.
Okay, now you're gonna shift to reverse.
Am I still on the clutch?
Yeah, you're gonna hold the clutch.
Okay.
You're gonna go all the way over and back. That's reverse. You're in reverse. Keep your foot on the clutch.
Okay. Oh, and I used the brake.
Right, hold the clutch in.
Okay.
All right, stop. Keep holding the clutch. Hold the clutch and the brake in. Now we're gonna go from reverse back to first. Now you're in first.
Okay.
Now, it's critical that you do this. Listen,
I'm scared.
Relax. Turn the wheel all the way to the right. All the way to the right.
Okay.
Okay. Slowly take your foot off the brake. Slowly.
Slowly.
And then put your foot on the gas and take your foot off the clutch. Slow. 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 You see you're starting to move. There you go. Gas, 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 gas. All right. No gas. No gas.
Now what?
I want you to turn right and go this way. Turn right.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Okay.
Okay. Take your keep your foot. You can keep your foot on the brake now.
I can use the brake and gas as normal now?
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Give it a little bit of gas. Just a little bit.
Well, I don't need to. I'm just taking my foot off the brake.
Yeah, but just give it a little bit of gas so it don't stop. That's good. Stay right there. That's all you gotta do.
You did it, Mom.
There you go.
There you go.
You got this.
I'm doing it. Okay, I'm doing it. Yeah, until I need to do something with that clutch.
That's fine.
The clutch is so scary. Yay, Camper Dan.
Keep going.
Right?
Keep going.
Go right.
Slow. You can take your foot completely off the gas. It'll coast. Keep going. Keep going.
Do you want me to go?
Yeah, you're gonna turn around. There you go. Give it some gas. Okay, so now you're in second gear. Just 10 miles an hour is what I want to see.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
You got this.
Oh my gosh, you did it, Mom.
Keep going.
I'm doing it.
Learning how to drive manual 101.
I'm doing it.
So there's camp. Yeah, I can't be the only one that knows how to drive manual in this family. Come on, take us to Sawmill. Let's go. Yeah, I get to ride shotgun today. Look at this.
Until I need to shift.
She already made it to second gear, guys. Learning how to drive manual. It's a beautiful thing. Good job.
I'm so proud of you, Mom.
Good job. Good. This way I got to get some content.
I don't want to go on the beach.
We're not going on the beach. 10 miles an hour.
Want me to go right or left?
Stay straight. See the parking lot? We're going to make a loop on the right side.
We're going to go right to go left.
Yeah.
Come back around this way.
Yeah. Slow down a little bit. Good job. There you go. There you go. Take us around here. Keep going where that Tesla is. And come back around. Tell me she can't drive stick or learn to drive stick. Make a left here.
Baby Mom's not going to go. Yeah, until there's somebody.
There you go. Slow down. Just take your foot off the gas, it'll coast. And you're gonna go right back down that dirt road, 10 miles an hour. Brake. There you go. Turn. You actually don't live on the clutch as much as you think you do.
Just when you have to change gears. So if
Right.
I never had to change a gear.
And
that's fine.
that should take you 3 to 5 seconds tops.
I can't do it in 3 to 5 seconds.
Well, you gonna learn. Keep going straight this way.
You got this, Mom.
Like I said, I ain't gonna be doing all the driving.
Slow and Steady, Camber Dan.
Spare driver in training, ladies and gentlemen. Look at her go.
Would you put a little thing on it that says student driver?
She taking us for a ride today. There you go, drive this thing, girl. Yeah.
I'm so proud of you, Mom. See, it's not as scary as you thought. Only the clutch part for you. Yeah. I couldn't drive it
Keep going.
with Daisy.
Hey, don't go so fast though.
You want me to go turn around again?
No, you're gonna keep going this time. Go slower though. Shouldn't be making a wake through here. There you go.
Good job, Cameron Dean. He's like, who's driving me? I don't know this lady. Who is this person? Go straight?
Yep. Go slow though. We're gonna take a little walk in the woods.
Take a walk in the woods.
Oh, there's more people here. Go right. Oh, that's a nice rig. Left. And then right down there, you're gonna go left. We're gonna go in a circle. And the biggest test is yet to come.
Right down where?
Keep going. Keep going right this way. And then you're gonna turn left here. Yep. And keep going. The road goes that way to the left. Keep going.
Look at me.
Yeah, look at you.
I got my hand on the stick.
Mm-hmm.
Drive off the road.
Although you're not supposed to have your hand on the shifter unless you're shifting. Not only that, it damages the synchros, it wears them out.
Right?
Go right, yeah. Give it some gas so you don't stall. You can keep your foot on the brake as you're descending this, and you're gonna want to. Just don't mash it all the way down, otherwise you'll stall.
I get it.
Watch the hole there. Stay left.
I got it. See? I got
Good
it.
job. Yeah!
Which
Up
way?
here, you're gonna make a left. Slow left. Slow, hard left.
Right here?
Yep. Gas, gas, gas. That's good. That's good. Stay right of that tree trunk if you can.
Yep.
There you go. Gas, gas, gas. There you go. Left, right. Mm-hmm. Keep going right this way. There you go. Mm-hmm. You gonna be a driver yet, girl? Keep going. Oh, that's another nice
Let me show you how
sight.
you do this. I'm just kidding.
Watch the tree. Don't rub the tree now. Easy, easy, easy. Gas, gas, gas. The trick to staying in second gear without stalling and having to touch the clutch is to keep the RPMs up, but you don't want to be going too fast.
Right.
I want 10 miles an hour out of you because you're not there yet. I want you to build confidence. Left. There you go. Stop right here. All right, you're still in first gear?
Yes.
Foot off the brake. Keep your foot on the clutch. Take your foot completely off the brake. Foot off the clutch and gas. Slow. Go. There you go. Just let it creep. Slow. You want to go down this slow. That's a tree. Ah!
I saw the tree. Don't scream like that. Okay, we're going.
All right, now we're gonna do some four-wheeling. All right, put us in neutral, right here. Remember? There you go. All right, now you're gonna put us in four low. So you're gonna pull back, push down, and pull back more. There you go. Now you're in four low. Put us back in first.
So that's over and
up. Yep, put us in first. There you go. Now, slowly take your foot off the brake, and then the clutch, and then give it gas. Go for it. Now. Slow. There you go. Just crawl. 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 There you go. There you go. That's what I want you to do. As a matter of fact, stop. Clutch in. Put us in neutral.
Down a little?
Yeah. And then shake.
Okay.
There you go. Push. Forward. So what you just did was go from 4 low to neutral to 4 high, and now you're in 2 high. If you go like this, you're in 4 high. Now you're in 2 high because we're not doing anything off-roady now. Put us back in first.
Okay, so that's over
and forward.
And
forward. Yep.
Over and forward.
Mm-hmm.
Now slowly off the brake.
Yep.
And then off.
And then off the clutch, and then give it just a little bit of gas. There you go. There you go. Turn right. We're gonna do one more lap. Go this way.
Hey,
now,
it'll
hit in the throttle, but step on it. Step on it some more.
Okay.
Clutch in, 2nd gear, shift. Clutch out, gas.
Okay.
Foot completely off the clutch. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for now. If you've enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a like. And while you're at it, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Chris, and this has been the Tampa Dan Drive.